Jai Hind friends, Google Maps has dominated the online mapping business for more than a decade. The service has launched in February 2005 and quickly became the most prominent mapping service. Everybody somehow got to used to the fact that it is excellent, detailed, free and mostly without ads. Well, Google decided that it's time to change that and start making a serious money from the Google Maps. So you will be watching the Google Maps revenue model in this video. Let's get started.
Google Maps. Look before you leave.
Google is a business and it makes money no matter what you do. Google, along with its parent company Alphabet, has transformed from merely a search engine into a giant company that offers several products and services, including Google Cloud, Gmail, Google Book, YouTube, and Google Maps. Google Maps in particular is a popular navigation tool that it's just as powerful on the mobile device as on the desktop computer. Although Google does not charge the end user searching for their website or for any location in particular, the company has generated billions of dollars through fees, ad revenue and ad sharing platform. Google Map is undoubtedly the best mapping service in the world and it has no significant competitor in its league. It's such a precise, detailed and all-knowing mapping service that is loved by every user. And some cool features of Google Maps includes browsing it like normal mapping search for businesses, places, landmarks like restaurants, outlets, tourist spots, hospitals and shop, you name it. Finding the routes, estimating traveling time, using for navigation, and recently Google has added that advanced feature that provides the information on traffic density on road in the real time so that you can avoid taking routes that are congested.
जब ट्रैफिक का हाल बदलता है तो सड़कें रंग बदलती हैं। गूगल मैप्स पर रियल टाइम ट्रैफिक से चेक करें फास्टेस्ट रूट।
Location sharing in real time featuring like street views and live views, and if you own the business you get your location added on the map so that people will find you easily. Let's find out the mainstream revenue from Google Maps, that is advertising. I think you guessed it. And we already know a little bit about Google business model and how is advertising business makes money. Well, Map is not an exception. Google Maps has such a feature to look for any businesses. For example, let's search for hotel and the result will show you like the Google search result with the list of hotels in the area. And just like the regular Google search, paid ones or ads will show us right at the top so that business can pay to have their physical outlets to show up on the first on Google Maps too. The ads are differentiated from organic or unpaid search results by tag said ads. The ads that shows up in the Google Maps searches are also linked to the business account, that is Google Ads account. And whenever a person clicks on the ad, Google charges the advertiser a certain amount. And that's how Google earns through the map. Advertisers will pay only if their ads get clicked on, like similar standards of Google Ads. The point is that कि कौन सा advertiser कितने रुपए देगा depends on the auction and other relevant criteria on their mapping services. मान लीजिए कि आपको मेरा एक होटल है और मेरे पड़ोसी का भी होटल है and we both wants to put our location on Google Map. So हम दिल्ली में रहते हैं और मैंने गूगल मैप्स पे एक कीवर्ड के लिए बिडिंग करी है, बोली लगाई है, ऑक्शन करा है हमने कि भाई अगर कोई भी बंदा होटल इन दिल्ली सर्च करे तो मेरे लोकेशन आनी चाहिए, मेरे होटल की लोकेशन आनी चाहिए। अब मेरा पड़ोसी भी यही कह रहा है कि मेरी भी इसी कीवर्ड पर पहली वेबसाइट, पहली लोकेशन आनी चाहिए। अब किसकी पहले आएगी डिपेंड्स ऑन सम रेलिवेंट क्राइटेरिया। वन इज ऑक्शन में क्या होता है, बोली में क्या होता है कि मान लीजिए मैंने कहा कि अगर कोई भी पर्सन मेरे लोकेशन पर क्लिक करेगा, मेरे ऐड पर क्लिक करेगा तो मैं 5 रुपये देने को तैयार हूँ। मतलब अगर कोई पर्सन मेरे एड्स पर क्लिक करता है तो मैं गूगल को 5 रुपये देने के लिए तैयार हूँ। लेकिन पड़ोसी कहता है कि भाई मैं 6 रुपये दूंगा। ऐसे ऐसे करके ऑक्शन चलता है और बोली लगती है, और जो ज़्यादा रुपए देता है उसका एड्स पहले आ जाता है। मैं फिर बता रहा हूँ, इन एडिशन कुछ रेलिवेंट चीज़ें होनी चाहिए उस बिज़नेस में। ऐसे नहीं कि आपका बिज़नेस उस कंटेंट से रिलेट ही नहीं करता हो। फ्रेश कंटेंट होना चाहिए आपका, कोई कॉपी पेस्ट नहीं होना चाहिए कहीं से। इमेजेस, आपकी लोकेशन, आपकी वेबसाइट, ये सब रेलिवेंट होनी चाहिए। लिंकेज होनी चाहिए सभी वेबसाइट में, और आपका बिजनेस से रिलेटेड ही ऐड आपको दिखाया जाना चाहिए। सबका गूगल ध्यान रखता है इन सब चीज़ों का। उसके बाद आपके एड्स को प्रस्तुत किया जाता है विद रिस्पेक्ट टू योर बिडिंग। The next revenue stream for Google Maps is partnership and sharing Google's Map API with businesses. API is Application Program Interface, and Google Map is the best mapping services and has amazing interface. It could be of great use to other businesses to like ride sharing and trekking companies, and many are certainly willing to pay to able to use Google Maps API. Recognizing this, Google allows businesses and developers to access and integrate the Google Map infrastructure into their application, and in return, of course, Google charges them. Recently, Google has increased its charges for sharing its services. Ola, Uber, Zomato, Swiggy, Blinkit, 1mg, Delivery, Ether, that electric scooter, all these companies are using Google Maps API in their apps for delivery and other purposes. अब सवाल ये आता है कि why these companies are not making their own navigation system? Because navigation tool बनाने के लिए बहुत सारा पैसा, मैनेजमेंट, टाइम, रिसोर्सेज लगते हैं, और उसके बाद भी आप गूगल से compete नहीं कर पाएंगे, और उससे सस्ता इन्हें खरीदना ही पड़ जाता है। तो this will create a win-win situation, so that company prefer to buy a Google Maps API to inbuild in their software. So Google charges them for this services to provide an API on their applications. लगे हाथ में आपको ये भी बताता हूँ कि अगर आपने कोई भी नया फ़ोन ख़रीदा है और आप जैसे ही फ़ोन को ऑन करते हैं तो आप गूगल की कुछ एप्लीकेशंस को पहले ही इनबिल्ट पाते हैं। So Google charges the phone company to build their software into that phone, and there are small ways that Google Maps is making revenue, that is custom pin. Businesses can have their pin customized so that they can show up with their unique logo and stand out. आपने कभी गौर करा होगा कि हॉस्पिटल का कोई अलग आइकन होता है और स्टेडियम का कोई अलग आइकन होता है, कॉफ़ी शॉप का अलग आइकन होता है। बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट गूगल ने कुछ आइकन्स बनाए हुए हैं, बट अगर आप चाहते हैं कि हमारी कंपनी का लोगो उस आइकन की जगह रिप्लेस हो, देन गूगल मैप प्रोवाइड्स यू द कस्टम पिन टू शोज अप योर लोगो ऑन दैट लोकेशन। सो गूगल चार्जेस बिजनेसेस फॉर दिस फीचर. This is the another way how Google is monetizing and Google Maps through added revenue by offering the businesses to provide custom brand pin that will feature a business logo. These pins show up right on the map even if you are not looking for the specific business. Have you ever noticed that when you are looking or when you are going somewhere and using the map navigation tool for the help, you will find that Google is saying certain brand names or locality to shows the direction. For example, turn right from Bikaner Wala or turn left from Burger King, let's say. As a new addition, many people are sharing their experience that Google Maps navigation system giving them the direction with respect to specific businesses and landmarks. Google, however, says that this is not the part of advertising businesses, and this is just to get the users better experience and for more fun. However, people were a bit skeptical that this could have been a business trick. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section. And that's all for today's session. If you find any helpful content, then hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more such content. Share this video with your friends so that they can find valuable information from this video. Jai Hind. See you in the another video.